Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make moyashi to wakame no goma salada. It's very simple and easy salad using bean sprout and wakame seaweed. You don't need knife and you don't need pot, and you can whip it up within no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 g of bean sprout, 5 g of dried wakame seaweed, 1 tablespoon each of sesame seeds and sesame oil, half a teaspoon each of salt and garlic paste. I'm going to rehydrate the wakame seaweed first. Wakame seaweed is small bits like this when it's dried. But when it's rehydrated, it's spread out really big, so make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. So set a strainer in a bowl, put wakame seaweed, and plenty of water. And just leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's cook bean sprout. So here I have bean sprout in a bowl that I can microwave. No water, no seasoning, just bean sprout. Cover it. And let's microwave. I did 3 minutes at 600 watt, and it's wilted, but it's not overcooked. Now, back to wakame seaweed. It's completely rehydrated, so let's drain. You don't need this water anymore. Take some and squeeze it really, really well. No mercy. Like this, and in a bowl of bean sprout. And let's add the remaining ingredients. Garlic paste, salt, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Give it a mix. Serve in a bowl. And moyashi to wakame no goma salada is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's such a simple dish, but it's incredibly flavorful thanks to the garlic and sesame. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Moyashi to wakame no goma salada is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade, for the other one. The side dishes are so light and healthy. Let's go heavy on the main. So how about chicken katsukare, which will also cover the rice. Lettuce, miso, soup, or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!